Welcome back to Focus on the Fashion. My name is Monica, and today I'm going to bring to you a little unboxing video. I think this is the first time that I've done an unboxing video on my channel, so hopefully it'll go well. I don't know about you, but I've been thinking about the springtime. I know that we're in the throes of winter, but I don't know. I'm ready for spring. I'm ready for the cold weather to be over with, and I'm ready for the flowers to bloom, the weather to warm up, and for me to just be able to go out and enjoy myself. So some of the things that I've been doing now to kind of prepare for the spring is to do some closet cleaning. And so, and reorganizing in addition to cleaning out my closet. And so I've been taking items to the Goodwill. I've got my items ready to either sell on The RealReal or eBay. And I'm looking at things that I want to replace in myself. That inspired this unboxing that I'm going to do for you today. But first, I wanted to share with you my outfit of the day. So my outfit of the day, I'm wearing this beautiful dress by MM6, which is a line from Maison Margiela. And it has like ruching and pleating and knots in the middle. And it has these kind of like exaggerated sleeves. They're very long in a sweatshirt material. And then I finished it off with these boots by MM6. This is just a cool and pretty chic outfit. I really like it because it kind of reminds me of the 20s. It's a nod to the 20s. And so I just thought this would be a beautiful piece in my wardrobe. So this is just a little small unboxing. I didn't go crazy or anything like that. And I just wanted to share with you what I purchased because, you know, there were some things that were missing in my wardrobe. Just recently, like I said before, I've really been thinking about the spring and when the weather starts to warm up. And I thought about some of the holes in my closet. And one of the things that I needed was a pair of like dark brown slides. I was thinking that, you know, I needed something that could go with like brighter colors, but a more neutral kind of earth tone that could, you know, really just kind of stabilize the look a bit. And so in the summertime, I like to wear a whole lot more colors, and sometimes you need something that's just, you know, a neutral that can go with a lot, and I thought these would be perfect. So let's take a look. So I was on Mike Teresa's website, and when I saw these, I was so excited to get them. And so I received them today, and I wanted to share it with you. So I got this box from My Teresa, and I'm so excited. I really like My Teresa's packaging. They really just do a beautiful job with their boxes. I usually keep their boxes. I'm sure I have a few around here somewhere. And nice packaging. I really enjoy how they do the packaging. But let's see, this is the box from Acne Studios, so let's see what's inside. They do a nice job with their packaging with the little bow. And I saw these on the My Teresa website, and I was like, these would be perfect. Just a really cool shoe. And so let's have it. And here are the shoes. Aren't these beautiful? So these are the slip-on slides by Acne Studios. These are so cool. So it kind of gives you the feel of a loafer, but it's in a slip-on or slide. And I just thought these were absolutely beautiful. Like a woven texture with the leather. And I think that's just a really cool accent. This is what really kind of sold me on the shoes, is that, you know, it was something new and different that I had never seen before, the way that they did this weaving on the shoe. And I'm really excited to wear it and to style it. They're 100% leather, and they are made in Italy. I think they're true to size. I'll try them on in a minute, and I'll do an outtake and let you see what they look like. So stay tuned. all the information in this description box below. So if you're interested in purchasing these shoes, you'll be able to find them. You can find them on sale at a few different places, but what I found is that My Teresa had the best price. So I'll leave a link in the description box below, and I hope you like my haul. Have a great day.